Hi, it's Allison from the Law School Toolbox. Are you concerned about finding a job? Well, we've got ex-BigLaw recruiter Sadie Jones here with us to talk about how to position yourself for a summer job offer, whether you're a 1L or a 2L. Welcome, Sadie.
Thanks for having me back.
Oh, it's my pleasure. All right, before we wrap up, one more question. How important is it that my LinkedIn either A, exists or B, matches my other documents?
Very important on both fronts. So you need a LinkedIn. And I know that law students don't all have LinkedIn and aren't using it as much as, people in other professions or people who are further down the road. Because I think they're very stuck in law school and they think everything's kind of going to be done for them in law school. But there's an outside world that uses LinkedIn for all their job stuff. So you need one. It should have a professional picture or, you don't need to get a professional photographer, but it should look like, sort of a blank background and, just you should look fairly professional in it. So someone can just take a picture, a close-up of you, that's fine. So you should have that. It should have your, your law school, your undergrad, whatever jobs you've done. I would have it match your resume in terms of, I talked about this, you don't need every summer job you had in, high school or college or anything like that. So it should look professional. And it should be up to date. So you should update it the same way you update your resume. Like people shouldn't look at it and it's years old.
Right. Basically, A, they should be able to find it, and B, they shouldn't look at it and be like, wait, is this the same person? It should be
Yeah.
clear if you have a resume in front of you that, okay, this is the same person, because people do look. I mean, I think HR people particularly love LinkedIn. They just want to cross-check that you exist, that kind of thing. It doesn't have to be super elaborate. It just has to basically match everything else you're putting out there.
You can also link to it. You can have it on your resume. I think that's a good idea because a lot of people have the same name. You don't want them to have to make a big deal to find you.
Yeah, I think it's good just to put it out there and be like, this is me. Here I am. All those
Obviously,
things.
don't put your other social medias. We're just talking about
Right.
LinkedIn.
Yeah. Unless you're applying for an influencer job, which
Yeah.
you're probably not if you're in law school. All right. Well, any final thoughts before we wrap up here?
My final thought is that I think people kind of get discouraged, especially the people where it's late in the game. And sometimes that can kind of cause them to just be frozen and not know what to do. And it's kind of this self-fulfilling prophecy. So just know that there is a job out there. You just keep going. Don't get so focused on, that other people have jobs and I don't yet. And so there's nothing for me. You just need to keep moving forward and, you'll figure it out.
Yeah, I think that's great advice. And get help if you need it. Your school's career office is there for you. For more career help, you can also work one-on-one with us. You can check out careerdicta.com. There are people who can help you, but I do think you've got to kind of listen to what the advice they're giving you is, maybe try to implement it and keep pushing forward because like you said, everybody basically finds something in the end. All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
My pleasure. For more career help and the opportunity to work one-on-one with us, check out careerdicta.com or visit lawschooltoolbox.com. Thanks for watching, and please give us a like and subscribe.